Hi, my name is Tiffany Wilkerson. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the ZipRecruiter application. The ZipRecruiter application allows you to search for jobs all around the world. It connects job seekers and employees. You will find the ZipRecruiter application is useful in making your job search more efficient. After completing this lesson, you will be able to access ZipRecruiter online, create your job seeker profile, upload your resume, apply for jobs, track your application status, and sign out of the account. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is locate the software online by typing in the URL. And this can be your most favorable internet browser, whether it's Firefox or Chrome. And you can see I've already logged that in. Once you hit enter, you'll land on the ZipRecruiter homepage. From there, you want to go to Job Seekers and scroll down to Free Account, Create Free Account. You're going to type in the position of your interests and the desired location and select Continue. You're going to type in your full name, and we'll just go ahead and type in name in efforts of making sure we'll type in a sample name. And continue. It's going to ask you if you're actively looking or not. This is your preference. And here you will have the option of customizing your privacy settings. This will allow you to control the visibility of your profile being displayed publicly. So you can disable or enable and select continue. All right, you can see already based on the position that I've entered on the previous page, it's already pulling up some roles that are similar to what I'm interested in. If you like it, you're just going to give it a thumbs up and it'll keep drafting in positions that's similar to what you're interested in. So we'll go ahead and skip. Here you're going to upload your resume, and you're going to upload this from your desktop or your drive. Please make sure it's in Word, PDF, or text format, and make sure it's also the latest and greatest resume, including your or actually highlighting your skills, because what we want to do is make sure those skills are a match for your qualified roles you're seeking. Go ahead and enter in your basic information here. If you want to enter in your desired salary, you may do so, and if you want to work remote. All right, so your profile was updated successfully. Here, Phil is just giving you an overview of everything you have to look forward to, everything that's at your fingertips in ZipRecruiter. All right, so on this page here, if you realize that you need to make some changes to your resume, you can simply select Edit, and you'll be able to make those changes here. Again, if you want to disable your resume information from being displayed publicly, you can disable this icon here. Let's just say everything looks great for the sake of the video, and we're going to go ahead and move forward and select Continue. All right, congratulations, your profile has been created. So now what we're going to do is apply for a job. You're going to make sure you're under the jobs header. And if you scroll down underneath the suggested jobs here, you're going to see jobs that's available similar to what you're looking for. So let's say we're interested in this financial analyst role at Jobseeker. We're going to go ahead and click apply. It's processing. It's asking you to put in your password. So for the sake of the video, we'll go back. But just so you can have access to future devices, you will put that password and set it. So let's say we applied for the position and you want to track down this particular role that you applied for. You want to make sure you're under the job header and go to Apply Jobs. And there you'll see the job that you applied for. It has the date and time stamp here, and it has the date and time stamp of when you applied. Just keep in mind, once it's been reviewed by a recruiter, this will change to reviewed. And once you've completed your application and you've reviewed the status of your application, to log out, you would just simply go to the header, select the meatball, and scroll down and sign out. But before we sign out, I just wanted to point out a few things in this header up here. If you actually select salaries, it will give you an idea of what the potential salary could be for the role that you're interested in. So let's say the area we're interested in is Gainesville, Virginia. We can search the salaries and get an idea of what the range would be for this particular field. I do want to point out, based on a study commissioned by ZipRecruiter, 71% of candidates increase their salary using this comprehensive salary tool, so you will have access to the salary data real time. This message feature here on the toolbar will allow you to communicate with potential employers. So this is a great feature to have where you'll be able to communicate with them. If we go to the profile, section here. It will keep you up to speed with anything that's outstanding. Before we do that, if you have any skills that you want to highlight, you can ask for a fellow friend or a colleague to identify those skills that you've demonstrated, and they can send that to your hiring manager. You can just simply send a link or an email. Here you can see Phil is advising me that my phone number is missing. My headline summarizing my experience is missing. So once I fill all that in, these checkboxes will come in here and it'll be complete. Again, you can edit anything that's on this page. And the bell icon will let you know, again, the status of anything that's outstanding. It's saying everything is up to date, come back soon. And if I view the suggested jobs, it'll take me back to the main page where I can see those jobs. So now we'll sign out by clicking on the meatball, scrolling down to sign out, and it'll take me back to the ZipRecruiter homepage. So you've watched me demonstrate how to establish a ZipRecruiter account online, and by creating your job seeker profile, this will streamline your job search. ZipRecruiter is also accessible using your mobile iPhone, Android device. For more information, you may access support.ziprecruiter.com. Thank you.